How you doing? So we're actually looking at the odd USD, all right? And so we're on the monthly chart here. And as we see here on the monthly chart, we do see where price is moving upward. We have a clear view of here. See, upward, downward, upward, and then it's consolidating in this area here, all right? And so one is awesome, but we do have that uptrend there as well, okay? And we see on this month, we see that price is moving downward. All right, so we're doing that analyzation. Yeah. And so let's go ahead and look at the weekly charts here. All right, and so with this, we do still see we have the higher highs and higher lows. All right, still a little bit of consolidation here. And we do have this area here where it seemed to broke consolidation. And then we have this area here where it seems like it's moving back upward, all right? But for us to have a clear point of view of what's going on in the market, because we know that the monthly is trending downward, but with the weekly trend, what's going on this week, it is moving upward. Let's go ahead and draw our trend lines here. All right. All right, so we're going to lock that. And let's go to our daily chart. All right, so on the daily, it's basically much of the same. It's the same thing going on. All right, and so let's go ahead and go to the 4 hour, which is what I have been waiting for. And the reason I've been waiting on the 4 hour chart, I saw something really awesome here on the 4 hour chart. All right, and so we're going to make this bad boy. We're going to enlarge everything so we can really take a really good look at what's going on here on the 4 hour chart. All right. All right, and so as we see here, with this chart here, let's go ahead and delete that. As we see here with this chart here, we're actually seeing consolidation in this area here. All right, so it is consolidating. So we're going to go ahead and draw a box right around here. All right, for this area of consolidation. All right, and we're going to go ahead and lock that box. And so we're going to go ahead and look at this area right here. And we see here with this area consolidation, what pattern are we seeing here? So that we can actually see where price is going, all right? And so we're going to go ahead and draw this here. All right. Draw that there. And then we're going to draw this here. All right, because we see that is an area of resistance there. Awesome. So what pattern is that? All right, what pattern is that? What are we seeing? We are actually looking at a bearish pendant. Oh my goodness, right? That's a bearish pendant. See, market moving downward. Then we have this triangle here. It's getting smaller here. See the angle going upward. So what happens when we have a bearish pendant? Oh, boom, boom, boom. All right, so this is what usually happens when you have a bearish pendant. And so it is very critical for you to actually know what takes place in the markets when you see your patterns. And you know, it's easy to make mistakes, but make sure, because you make sure that you know which direction the pattern is going, all right? So we're going to make that red, because usually in the bearish pendant, boom, 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 it is going downward, all right? So that's what usually takes place with a bearish pendant, all right? So looking at the 4 hour chart, all right? And so let's look at a bearish pendant really quickly so you can actually see what it looks like. Okay, so here's a bearish pendant and a bearish trend. The market is moving downwardly here. And then you'll see that consolidation takes place here. And the candlesticks begin to move in a way, in a diagonal motion, and it gets smaller and smaller and smaller in this area. And then price moves downward, continuing the bearish trend. So this is a bearish pendant, all right, which is wonderful. So we want to make sure that we know what we're looking at on the charts when we are trading. So let's go ahead and take a second glance at the bearish pendant on our charts on odd USD. All right, and so when you're looking at this and when it actually breaks this area down here, you want to make sure that it continues. So you want to wait on that second candle to enter the market as it pushed downward, all right? Which is wonderful. And of course, you'll utilize your stop loss. So with your stop loss, you'll protect your account with the 1 to 3% percentage of for your stop loss. Okay. So awesome. So that was the bearish pendant. And it's been a pleasure being in your beautiful presence on today. And until next time, I will see you later. Awesome. Have a good day. Bye.